Ta-da! I have been wanting to get an electric mini bike for the longest time, and last weekend I pulled the trigger and got myself a Tuttio Soleil 01. So let's check this thing out. Woo!
Oh shit.
Yeah, they said the brake's really good. Oh, we good to say Oh man. I need to tighten the handlebar. So the setup took about maybe 2 hours because, yeah, I dropped the bike and broke off the throttle, but we finally figured it out. I don't know what mode this is. I heard the brake is really good.
It is.
Pick it up and then hold it.
Hell no.
Woo! I want to be able to walk it eventually, like bring it up, and it's just kind of like, whoa, shit. Nice. So this bike has 3 different modes. You can do eco, tour, and then sport. If you want to do wheelie, you need to do sport. All right, guys, so we're done building this bike for today. Stay tuned for more adventure next time. Bye.